When you get into a car accident, you want help from someone who's been there, done that, and knows how you feel. Well, Joseph Brown is the founding partner of Accident Law Group. His background makes him very uniquely qualified to give you advice. Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
So you were an attorney.
Correct.
Go ahead, yeah.
Yes, first of all, sorry for your loss.
Oh, thank you.
All
that
right.
was very kind of you. Thank you.
Yes, I've been an attorney for 13 years, a little bit over 13 years. I actually supervised one of the larger firms in town before I left it to start my own practice. So I've got years of experience as being an attorney. Also was involved in a very serious accident like I know you were. So I know what it's like to be a victim of a car accident and what it's like to fight the insurance company firsthand as well as for my clients for years.
So you've been an advocate, you've been a victim, you've done it all. But before you were an attorney, you were an insurance adjuster.
I was. I've done it all.
How did you like that job?
I hated that job.
Why?
I just felt my heart really is with the people who are hurt in the accident. I don't, people are looked at as dollars and cents, and I just don't deal with that very well. You know what? You're going through an experience that hopefully you only do once in a lifetime, and it's painful, and you need someone who understands it, who empathizes with you.
Absolutely.
Insurance companies are always looking at you as if you're exaggerating, you're really not telling the truth, and that just really isn't who I'm said. I tend to believe people, and I don't disbelieve people.
Right, you have empathy and you want them to understand compassion is probably what they need, not
Exactly.
to be handled in any particular way. So what has your experience been like with people who hire you for an injury accident?
Well, I mean, I've had a lot of return clients. A lot of people send me send me clients from their friends. In fact, I just met with someone the other day who was a client of a client of a client, and that's in the last 6 months.
Wow.
So I think understanding what they're going through, understanding what they need, getting them in the right places and giving them direction on what they could do better helps them.
Right, we're looking at a graphic right now. So what makes the Accident Law Group different? What are some must-haves there?
I think what makes us different, is our experience, but more importantly, the graphic here is what people really need to know about their insurance. There was a lot on TV the other day about someone who got hit in a hit and run. That's where uninsured motorist comes in. When you're uninsured, you're hit by somebody who has no insurance or they're no longer at the scene. That protects you and your family. These are things you must have in your insurance policy. Uninsured, underinsured protects you when someone doesn't have enough insurance. Medical payments coverage covers your medical bills whether you're at fault in the accident or not. And lastly, one thing I see a lot of people miss is rental car coverage. They come to my office, they're like, I didn't cause the accident, but I need a rental car. Well, the insurance company likes to play games. They're not going to accept liability. Even in simple rear-end accidents, they don't accept liability right away. Sometimes they'll wait a week, 2 weeks, even longer.
Is that to scare us?
I think that's to get you to give a statement or to settle quickly. I think it's an influence that they're really trying to put pressure on you so that they can hurt your case. You don't have a car, you don't go to the doctor. You don't go to the doctor, you must not be hurt. Those are all things that they're really skewing against.
It's a tactic, and I want people to hear this because you offer an ALG guarantee. This is important. What is that?
Well, that's a fair fee guarantee, which means we never take more than the client. I know what it's like to be an injured party. I know what it's like to be hurt. You should get the bulk of your settlement. And we guarantee as attorneys we will not take more. There's a lot of law firms who take a third, pay the medical bills, and if there's something left over, great. That's not who we are. That's not what we're about. We want to make sure you take the same as us at least.
All right, he's an attorney, he's been an insurance adjuster, he's done it all, and he guarantees his work. Thank you so much. Great advice. Let's give you some information now if you'd like to contact the Accident Law Group. They are located at 3923 South McClintock Drive, Suite 400 in Tempe. The number to call is 602-262-4ALG. The website is 4ALG.com.